I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright, what's going on, guys? We're back with another video. Today we're back with the Ciare speaker 6.5. Of course, y'all know we did an unboxing video of the subwoofer. We're gonna do that here shortly. Not on this video. So y'all stay tuned for that one. And we got the Twitter coming along to go with this one. So we're gonna probably do one with the speaker by itself, and then we're gonna put the Twitter with it and stuff like that, so y'all can see how they both sound good together. So we're gonna do that, of course, too. So today, I'm gonna take it out of the box. I didn't wire this up like permanently. I just did like a little way so we could test it. Of course, it's like I guess the Neo speaker is what this would be, as y'all can see right there. Y'all want to pause and look at it. Like I said, I didn't put the terminals on permanently or anything like that. I just did it for video purposes, so y'all can see. So y'all know how we go ahead and do this. We go ahead and play it. Of course, y'all know I got the 3500. I got this tuned for a mid-range Neo because I actually run the same amp. I run some Neo speakers off of it, and but I run quite a few of them off of this one amp. But this time I'm running this one speaker off of this. So definitely you wouldn't want to do this because it's gonna be a risky thing. So you might blow the speaker or whatnot. You don't want to run 3500 watts on 1.6.5. This is for the video purposes only. So definitely don't go for it. I want to just say it like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get some music playing. I'm gonna try a few different tracks and see how does it sound with with different tracks or whatnot. So y'all be patient with me. Of course, you can tune this speaker different ways to get a different sound quality out of it. So I'm sure I can tune this thing some kind of way on the amp, on the DSP, and make a different sound. Of course, like most speakers, you can tune it to your liking and whatnot. Alright, we got the 6.5 and we got the tweeter here. As y'all can see right here. Like I said, I just got it rigged up just so we can do the testing and whatnot. It's not a permanent thing, so don't do me too bad in the comments. It's just for video purposes only, so y'all can hear it. So y'all see the model number. This is the Ciare tweeter right here. Right now I'm gonna play it without the tweeter on first.
Go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. Little seed with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
Okay, let's do it with the Twitter.
Still go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find it door.
You can hear the difference without that Twitter on. Let's turn the Twitter off again. Let's see. Let me play another one. I think it's probably better we play something with words. I'm not really familiar with all these songs on YouTube. Let's try the one without the words. This will be alright, hopefully. Okay, without the Twitter. That's a Twitter by itself. Of course, y'all know when you bring that. Let me see. Turn that down. Of course, y'all know we're running a 3500 per. That's a 3500 watt speaker. Amp for this 1.6.5 and 35 for this one tweeter right here. Of course, like I said, I don't recommend that. This is just for testing purposes only. So, like I said, it hold good power and whatnot. But you know, it's something about when you put this tweeter right here with it. And this, you know, with any of this to kind of feel that sound. The tweeter, if you want to look it up, that's the model right there. That's an 8 ohm. As you can see, I'm sure they may make 4 ohm as well. This speaker here is a 4 ohm. They may make it as an 8 ohm as well. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put up on the screen a screenshot of the product on their actual website, on Ciare website. That way you'll be able to see the specs and so forth and so on. Of course, I'm gonna leave a link down below if y'all want to go and check them out. Let's see if we can find another song. We're gonna play this with the horn and the tweeter and the 6.5. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and keep it going. Let's see if we can find one more. I'm trying to give y'all just a couple of songs y'all can hear. Y'all can kind of see what they sound like. But like I say, each one's on 3,500 watts each. Don't do that if you can help it. So I definitely recommend the product. I wasn't paid to say it or anything like that. But if it sounds good to me, it sounds good to me. But it's definitely made well. Y'all can see right there. Just of course, this is the Neo. Of course, y'all already seen the back. Here's the product number right here. Well, I'll leave the product number down below. I'll be done unplugged. But be sure to like, subscribe. I'm planning on building a little box so I can test speakers in or whatnot. But I want to kind of keep these inside of like a little. I might do like a little box where I can keep all of these Ciare speakers in with the tweeters and everything. It's just like a portable type deal. I might do that, or I might end up, I don't know, maybe I can put some inside of the truck. I don't know yet, but we'll see. But be sure to like, subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one. Check out Ciare SPL at BNC speakers. See y'all back on the next one.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, you're still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, y'all, appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.